Let's start the next main round of Ragam Tanam Pallavi. Over to you, Soumya.
Thank you, Ramki. I hope all the teams got a fair idea, good start for them. The next round is called Ragam Tanam Pallavi. Ragam Tanam Pallavi is a form of singing in Carnatic music, which allows musicians to improvise to a great extent. So it's one of the most complete aspects of Indian classical music. It demonstrates the entire gamut of talents and the depth of knowledge of the musician. Pretty much our round is going to have a whole mix of things, and we're going to go into the specific aspects of it. Please listen carefully before we start the round. So the Ragam Tanam Pallavi board is going to have 30 questions in all. These 30 questions are going to be in 5 different categories. And in each category, we are going to have 6 questions. 3 of them are going to be in Tamil and 3 of them are going to be in Hindi. Each of those 3 questions themselves are going to be 1 easy, 1 medium, and 1 hard. So 5 categories, 6 questions in each category, 50% Tamil, 50% Hindi, easy, medium, and hard. Okay, so those are going to be the different things. The easy questions will carry 100 points. The medium question will carry 200 points, and the hard questions will be 300 points. Now, before a question is asked, the board will be displayed, and the team can choose what they want from the board. So they can say this category, Tamil or Hindi, easy, medium, or hard. You can say, I want this question, and then like in a Jeopardy board, we will ask that specific question to you based on what you choose. If you get it right, you get the points, and then it's going to follow an infinite bounce, which means after team 1, if team 1 answers, it will just go to team 2. The next question, the choice will go to team 2. If they don't answer, it will still go to team 2. If team 2 answers in a pass also, it's the same number of points, and then it'll just go on to team 3 and so on. So it's not like a question will be asked, it'll come back and all. It'll keep going till we finish the 30 questions. Okay. Then there is also an element called doubling that you can do, which means before a question starts, if you feel this is a category you know well, you can say double. And if you say double, instead of the 100, 200, 300, you will get 200, 400, 600 points instead. Also, if you double and your answer is wrong, you will get negative points. Okay. So 100, 200, 300 negative, or 200, 400, 600 positive. So you have the benefit and you have a punishment in case you double the wrong question. If it passes the double, you get it wrong, and then it goes to the next team and then they answer, they don't get double the points, they just get whatever it's worth. Okay. So those are the rules in brief. If anyone has any doubts, please put your hands up. I see Kamlesh and Mukund have their hands up. You can probably put it down if you don't have any questions, so we can ask the teams. It just came on from before. Okay, Chennai Cheetahs, you can unmute and ask.
Yeah, so when it is getting passed, the double is getting passed, and the pass team, if it answers wrong, right, it is going to get only half the marks as the original value. If they answer wrong, will they be getting a negative mark?
No, they don't get. So the double question, the double points or the negative points is only for the team that chooses. Okay, it doesn't apply to any other teams.
Okay,
so only in your turn you can double and you can get more. In another term, you can't pass, you can't suddenly say double and try more. It's only when the team has a chance to choose from the board. And it's before you see the question. You double before you see the question. Yes, Sadhaka Paravegal, you have a question?
Sorry. And the doubling, and the negative mark is only for the questions that we choose to double.
That's only right. On the question that you choose
not
to
otherwise
get wrong. If you choose a question, doubled it, saw the question, answered it wrong, you get negative. Otherwise,
okay. We just choose the question, answer it, it's wrong, nothing happens.
Yeah.
Normally, only if you've doubled negative. Otherwise, nothing.
Okay.
And if you get half a question or something right, we may not give you any points. We just pass. Our decision is final. No arguments going back and forth. Yeah? So we do that you said half and we don't think it's good enough. We'll just pass to the next team and then we'll proceed like that. Okay. Nothing is going to be repeated. Another thing, Nothing will be repeated. So there's going to be audio or visual or video and everything. It will only be played once. We cannot repeat it. So please pay attention. Make sure other mics are all muted and only the captain answers and no confusion. Yeah.
And what is the time for each of these?
So the easy questions will have approximately 30 seconds. The medium will have 45 seconds and the hard questions will be 60 seconds. But it will show, the timer will show and it will start. If we think that a little bit more time is warranted on something, we might give, because, you know, sometimes on Zoom, something doesn't show up properly or something, we might adjust it a bit, but not off as much as possible. Yes, Blockbusters, you have a question?
Our team will be answered by Vinayak.
Perfect, perfect.
Sillanurukatru has a question. I see your hand is raised.
Sillanurukatru, their hands are up. They just asked, so I guess.
Soumya, I have a question.
Yes, Ragam.
Soumya, yeah, hey, if there is a, question is passed and the person gives, the past question is wrong, does the, is there any negative for that?
No negative.
Okay.
No negative points unless it's doubled, okay? And only the team that is doubling will get negative points also, or double the points, because it's an opportunity to get a lot more points on a category that you know. And up front in the next slide, we are going to tell you what the categories are. So you know whether you're strong or not, number one. Number two, you also get to choose whether it's a Hindi or a Tamil you want to choose. So you all know, your strengths, right? So you can play your strengths and get more points if you want. If you don't want to take a risk, don't double and just play it safe. It's all entirely up to you. And there are enough questions going around. So maybe after a little bit, you will get more courage to try what it is. And it's a mixed bag. They are not actually hard questions. They are pretty reasonably simple questions. Yeah. Okay. Shall we get
thanks, Soumya.
Next one? Next slide.
Yeah, one minor point is that the past question gets the same number of points. So if the question is 100 points, even the past answer, if they answer correctly, they will get 100, not 50% as it was there in the first round.
So it's infinite bounds. It's not really pass. It'll keep going till some team answers and then go to the next. So it's not going to come back and all that. So team one answers. Next question is team two. Team one doesn't answer. Same question to team two. Team two answers. Next question to team three, and so on and so forth till the whole board is completed. And once a category has been chosen and answered, it's gone off the screen, just like in Jeopardy, and that board will have only the other ones left. Okay. So the ones you're so these are the categories.
Yeah.
I'm going to
one
go
point,
the categories.
Soumya, one point. If no team answers the question after all the questions have been given a chance, obviously it will go to the audience and for their turn. Otherwise, the question master will be the answer. That's as usual. Yeah.
That's as usual. So the categories are going to be, and please listen carefully: In Sync, Chitrahar, Oh My Gosh, Co-Stars, and Mudley. Those are the 5 categories. In Sync, a video will be played on screen. That video is going to be of one particular song. The audio of that same would be another song. So 2 songs will be muddled up. One will be playing on screen, one will be heard. You have to identify what the 2 songs are, okay? So you have to say what's the key line or, the first line, so that we know you know the song. So the answer has to be very clear.
You will not be hearing 2 songs, okay? The song corresponding to the video will be muted. So you will just see the picture, but you will hear the audio of a different song.
So it'll be mixed up together. So the video of one song and the audio of another song will be mixed together. You need to identify both the songs clearly. It will be from somewhere in the middle of the song, and you have to tell us what's the, what is the song. So we need either the first line or a key phrase from the song, which makes sure that it is. It's not enough if you identify the movie and don't answer part answers, because we'll skip you and go to the next team and they may get an advantage. Okay. Chitrahar is the second category. In Chitrahar, it was just like in the preliminary round. You'll be given a situation and you have to guess what the song is. Oh My Gosh is going to be either a gosh or a God's puzzle. Co-stars is you're going to have 2 movie stars and their faces are going to be merged and you have to find who is the gods. Okay, gosh and gods are the puzzles that we have. Yesterday there were 2 rounds. It's a game, it's like a rebus-like puzzle where you have to identify either the Hindi song or the Tamil song. Mudley is, again, we played it yesterday. The first lines of 2 songs are mixed together. You have to identify clearly both the songs and you have to say all the words in that first line. If you give some, half the words or some words are missing, so all the words that are muddled up there, you have to have it in your answer. Okay, so that's about it. In sync, Chitrahar, oh my gosh, co-stars and Mudley. We'll go in the same normal way, go from 1 to 6 and then keep going around and round till the entire puzzle board is finished. All set for Ragam Tanam Pallavi? Show us a thumbs up if you are. Okay, so we start with team 1, which is Ilayyanila. You get to choose your category.
Yeah, Tamil, we will choose Tamil and Tamil medium, and we will choose in sync is okay.
What is it?
In sync.
Yeah.
Yeah, Tamil medium in sync. Yeah.
Tamil medium in sync. Okay.
In sync is what? Video or rendu per.
Where
my hormone balance damage.
Your time started. You have to identify both the songs, what was playing on screen and what was in the background, and clear enough, so we know you know it.
And he's not doubled so far.
And if you haven't doubled, so you only can play it normal, yeah.
it is
We have to tell the song or
Mari.
Yeah,
It
the
is
song solra.
Mari and Vadiyar.
I said song. That's wrong. Goes to the next team, team 2.
We have to tell the song.
No, finish. Team 2.
It is Vati coming,
Yeah.
and Rowdy Baby.
Perfect. So you get 200 points. The question now goes to team 3.
Sillanur Katru.
Sillanur Katru. First, decide whether you want to, what category and whether you want to double or not. And then we,
Team 2 doesn't take it?
which one is it?
Team 2 won't play?
No. It's infinite bounce. You'll get again.
Okay, fine.
So you got your points, right? You got 200 points now. Next is for team 3.
No, only for... Okay. Tamil, medium.
What?
In which category? Category?
Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh. Medium, 1 second. Do you want to double or not?
Double.
Okay, you will lose 100 points. 200 points if you get it wrong. Otherwise, 400 points. Okay, ready?
One second. This is being
No,
taken
not
random.
Question 2, Sillanur Katru. Team 3.
Only Sillanur Katru now. Can you see it?
That's not him.
15 seconds.
15 seconds more. You're muted. We can't hear you.
Wait, discuss. Yeah. Turmeric
Yeah,
gold.
time is up. Time is up. Please answer quick.
ஒரு
No
தேர்
idea to
இல்லைன்னா
pass, yeah?
மஞ்சள் தேன் சரி எதையோ சொல்லு அவ்வளவுதான் சொல்லு
ஒரு கீதம் தெரியலையா?
You get minus 200 because you doubled.
Okay.
Goes to Chennai Cheetahs.
ஒரு தங்க ரோதத்தில் பொன் மஞ்சள் நீலவு ஒரு தங்க ரோதத்தில்
Excellent.
மஞ்சள் நீலவு.
Well done.
Yeah.
Well done.
They get 200 points. You don't get the double. You get 200 points.
Thanks.
Well done. That's ஒரு தங்கரதத்தில் பொன் மஞ்சள் நிலவு. Next question goes to Sadhaka Paravaigal. Sadhaka Paravaigal, are you ready? Okay.
Yes, we are.
Somebody asked a question in between. Please do not ask questions in between, especially after we have asked a question. If you have a doubt, please do it in between rounds. Anyone had a question? Please ask now before I start. I throw the question to the team. Somebody asked something. I couldn't hear it. Unmute yourself and ask if you want to ask.
Soumya, to make things very clear, whatever is the original points for the questions, that will be given to the past team, and there won't be any negative marks for the past team. And once the past team gets it right, it will miss the chance because it's an infinite loop that goes on and on. Correct?
That's it. That's it. It'll keep
Right,
going.
thanks.
You'll get full points. It's as though you're just playing on your turn. It's not like a bonus.
Yeah.
Only
Okay.
thing is, in your turn, you also get an option to double, which is not there otherwise. Okay?
Okay, got
All
it.
good?
Thanks.
Now, no more interruption. Let's go to Sadhaka Paravaigal. Please choose from the board and also say whether you want to double or not.
We are choosing HIN2, Hindi medium in sync,
Okay?
and we are going to double it.
Excellent. Ready? Doubling. Hindi medium.
ओढ़ के धानी प्रीत की चादर आया तेरे शहर में रांझा तेरा शीश महल मुझको सुहाए तुझ संग सुखी रोटी.
Okay.
Okay, time
The
starts.
video, the video song is Navari Maje from English to English,
Okay?
and the audio is Mast Magan from 2 States.
Perfect, perfect. And that was a double 400 points for you, Sadhaka Paravaigal. Well done indeed. Next question goes to Ragam. Ragam, are you ready?
Yeah, we are doubling Hindi easy ghosh.
Hindi EC Gosh and double. Okay.
Yeah.
Hindi EC Omi Gosh, double. Yeah. HOM1.
It's तेरे मेरे बीच में कैसा ये बंधन अनजाना.
Yes, absolutely. 200 points to you because it was an EC doubled. 200 points to you. Next. Ileyanila, are you ready? Unmute yourself.
Yeah, one.
Choose
Hindi,
category.
Hindi hard. Hindi hard and which? Sorry,
Hindi hard. And you want to double? Which category?
Hindi hard co-stars.
Hindi hard.
You want to
co-stars?
double it? Yeah.
You're doubling also?
No need to double. No. Just Hindi hard co-stars.
So 300 points if you get it. Otherwise, nothing. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
Ready. Identify the 2 stars. Time. You have 60 seconds. If you get it wrong, we'll pass it. Yeah. So think and answer.
Priyanka Chopra and Kangana Ranaut.
That's wrong. Goes to Blockbusters.
So we are choosing Kangana
No,
Ranaut and Sonakshi Sinha.
Wrong. Next it goes to
Silanur
Katre.
Sunny Leone and Sonakshi Sinha.
Wrong. It goes to Chennai Cheetahs.
It's Priyanka Chopra and Sonakshi Sinha.
Perfect. Chennai Cheetahs gets it. Priyanka Chopra and Sonakshi Sinha is right. and they get 300 points for this. Next question goes to Sadhaka Parvegal. Are you ready, Sadhaka Parvegal? You have to choose anything on the board and whether you want to double or not.
We'll choose Tamil hard in sync.
Tamil hard in sync. Be ready. Be ready.
Yeah.
Are you
No
doubling or
doubling,
not?
doubling or no doubling?
No doubling. No doubling.
Okay.
நிலை மாறி செஞ்சுதே கலை மாறி கண்டதாலே நிலை மாறி செஞ்சுதே
மலர்காதலன்பினாலே வரும் வாசி கொஞ்சமா மலர்காதலன்பினாலே வரும் வாசி கொஞ்சமா
மலர் போன்ற உன்னை கண்டால் கவி பாட பஞ்சமா மலர் போன்ற உன்னை கண்டால் கவி பாட பஞ்சமா.
Sorry, team 2 is not being asked any questions, sir. Team 2 is not being asked any questions.
Please wait. Please wait. It'll come only in your turn.
No, you all are not asking. Last round also you all didn't ask.
Your team won, no?
Blockbuster team, our team didn't get any question, direct question at all.
It has to come. It is an infinite bounce. It's an infinite bounce.
You will get a direct question if your previous team answers correctly.
Yeah.
Otherwise, you will get a pass question, which you just wait for your turn.
You have to wait. If the previous turn, only when your turn comes, yeah?
Back to
Sadhaka
Sadhaka.
Parvegal.
Okay. நாடகமெல்லாம் கண்டேன் உந்தன் ஆடும் கண்ணிலே is one. It's the audio and the video is ஆடல் கலையே தேவன் தந்தது.
Absolutely. Absolutely. 300 points to Sadhaka Parvegal. Okay. What's the next team?
Ragam.
Ragam team. Ready?
Hindi easy co-stars.
Hindi EC co-stars. Okay.
Are you doubling?
You get 100 points. Are you doubling?
Yeah, we'll double it.
Okay, double. Thirty seconds.
It's Shah Rukh and Karishma Kapoor.
Correct. So you get double the points, 200 points to Ragam team. Yeah. Next is Ilenila.
எங்களுக்கு ஈஸியா கேளுங்கப்பா.
தமிழ் ஓகே
நீங்க தான் சூஸ் பண்றீங்க.
சரி ஓகே.
நீங்களே ஹார்டா சொன்னா நாங்க என்ன பண்ணது சொல்லுங்க.
சரி ஷாருக் கான் கொடுக்கலாம்ல.
தமிழ் ஓகே ஓகே ஓகே. தமிழ் ஹார்ட் co-stars.
Tamil hard co-stars. Do you want to double?
No, it's fine. Yeah.
Okay.
இல்ல இத மாறல.
Blockbusters, be ready next, huh? It's yours. If they don't answer.
Padmini and Santanam.
Very good. You get 300 points. You should have doubled. When you can answer, that's when you get more points. Excellent. Very, very good. 300 points to you. Next question goes to Blockbusters.
So here's the direct that you are looking for, Blockbusters.
The direct,
Yeah.
choose for a category and the question and let us know what you want.
Okay, so we would want to go for Hindi, Easy, In Sync, and we'd want to double.
1 second. Hindi, EC, In Sync, and double. So 200 if you get it right, 100 negative if you get it wrong. Yeah? Let's go for it.
Okay.
அம்மாடி ஆலமரம் மரத்து மேல உச்சிக்கல அம்மாடி ஆலமரம் மரத்து மேல உச்சிக்கல
the song which is playing is Kanda Vara Sollunga.
Okay.
And the Hindi song which is on there is it is this thing, Radhe 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 Radhe.
Okay, perfect. So you had doubled it. You get 200 points for that one. Next question goes to
Madlik Padla number.
Sillanur Katru.
Yeah. We'll go to Tamil easy Madlik.
Okay. Tamil easy Madli.
Tamil easy Madli. Okay.
Yeah.
Over to you, Ramki.
Yeah. Okay. These are the jumbled up words. Ambujata, Utata, Patela. Go on mute, please. Vadiyare, Niyava, Adutatu Ba. Yeah, time starts now. One answer, please. One answer. Yeah. Go ahead.
One person is only doing. Chale.
Yeah. Adutata Ambujata Partela. Then Vavadyare Utanda ni Varangatina Vadamata.
Perfect. That's both the songs correct, and you got 100 points. And this was Sillanur Katru. So the next question goes to
Chennai
Cheetahs. Please choose your category.
Just a moment. Okay, I'll go for Madli Tamil hard double.
Tamil Madli hard double. Chennai Cheetahs. Okay.
Double Madli hard. So
are you doubling or okay? You are doubling. Okay. So it's plus 600 or minus 300. Chennai Cheetahs. Yeah. Let's have the question. Pudu Ponnira Kalai Tendral Ennai Vandu Todumbodu.
I'm not seeing it. Yeah.
Yeah.
See, so I'm not getting it fully.
Are others able to see it? I am able to see this question.
Is everyone able to see it?
Yeah, I can see.
I can. One is
we can see.
The other is Tendral Vandu Ennai Todum.
Perfect. That's right. You got both the songs correct. Can we have that? Yeah. Puttambudu Kalai Ponnira Velai and Tendral Vandu. And since you doubled it, it's plus 600.
600 points for you.
To Chennai Cheetahs.
Sadhaka Paravaigal.
Are you ready with your category?
Okay, we are going for Tamil medium co-stars and we're doubling it.
Okay. So 400 if you get it right, 200 negative if you get it wrong.
Vijay Sethupathi.
Mute yourself, please. Unmute yourself only when you answer.
Can we answer? Can we answer?
Please.
It's Sadhaka Paravaigal. Can we answer?
Yeah, yes.
It's Vijay.
You can.
It's Vijay Sethupathi and Nayanthara.
Perfect. 400 points for you. It is Vijay Sethupathi and Nayanthara. Well done.
Okay.
Next is Ragam. Are you ready, Ragam?
Yeah, Hindi Madli easy and double.
Hindi Madli easy double. 200 if you get it right. 100 negative if you get it wrong. Yeah?
Yeah, go ahead. Can we have the question? Madli easy, not HMU1. HMU1, yeah. Okay. Deta dil khushboo ke liye tu hai madhuban mile. Time starts now.
I will answer. मधुबन खुशबू देता है, तू मिले दिल खिले.
That's right. Full marks to Team Ragam. Madhuban Khushboo Deta Hai and Tu Mile Dil Khile were the two songs. Next opportunity is for Alayanila again. Can you pick your category?
Yeah.
Tamil Tamil medium mudly hard. The Tamil medium mudly double. Yeah.
Okay. TMU2 with double, that is plus 400 or minus 200. Yeah. Can we have the question? என்ன செய்ய நேரம் என்னை கொஞ்சம் இருந்தாதான் இன்னும் என்னும் போகிறாய்.
இன்னும் ஓகே இன்னும் என்னை என்ன செய்ய போகிறாய் இன்னும் கொஞ்ச நேரம் இருந்தாதான் என்ன அது.
That's right. You get full points for getting both the songs correct.
And double, so 400 points.
Yeah. And the next question is direct to blockbusters.
Choose your category and your.
So we'll go to Hindi, easy, Chitrahar, and double.
Can you speak a bit closer to the mic, blockbusters? Your audio is a
Hindi,
bit low.
easy, Chitrahar, and double.
So 200 or minus 100.
Yes.
Chitrahar, Hindi, right?
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. So Chitrahar is the situation question. Okay, there's a clue in the question itself. This is a song for the Indian cricket team to keep going, in quotes, while preparing for the big match against England. That's enough. I think that you don't need any more clues.
बार बार हो अपनी जीत हो उनकी हार हो चले चलो चले चलो.
Okay, I will give it to you. Yes, it was Bar Bar Haan or also Chale Chalo. So you get full marks for that.
Online பண்ணியாச்சுனா.
They had doubled, so 200 points. Yeah.
Sillanur Kaatru.
Sillanur Kaatru, you ready?
Yeah. Co-stars. Easy, double.
Tamil co-stars easy. Double.
Yeah, Tamil co-stars, easy, double. வரட்டும். Suhasini and Shivaji.
Yes.
Perfect.
200 points for you. It's Shivaji Ganeshan and Suhasini Maniratnam, 200 points. Chennai Cheetahs, are you ready?
Aparna, make your pick.
Yes, it will be in sync, Hindi, hard.
In sync, Hindi hard. Do you want to double?
Yes, we can double it.
Super. So 600 points if you get it, 300 negative if you don't, yeah? All set?
All set.
You have to identify both the songs and you have to give me the key line, yeah? Okay.
रहेंगे दिल का फसाना जान भी ले ले चाहे जमाना आज कहेंगे दिल का फसाना जान भी ले ले चाहे जमाना मौत वही जो दुनिया देखे मौत वही जो दुनिया देखे खुद खुद
Okay.
Yeah.
You have time? Yeah.
The video is Ghumar Ghumar from Padmavat and
Okay.
The audio is Pyar Kiya To Darna Kya from Mughal Azam.
600 points to you. Take it. Take it. 600 points. Well done. Okay. Next. Sadhaka Parvegal, are you ready?
Yes, we are ready. We are taking Hindi medium Madli.
Hindi medium Madli. And are you doubling?
And yes, and we are doubling it.
So plus 400
Hindi medium
or
Madli
minus,
doubling.
minus 200.
400 if you get it right. 200 negative if you get it wrong. Okay?
Yeah.
Okay, done.
जिगर के जादू में मशगोशियां सामने नजर हैं पास नशा है.
We're ready with the answer? We're ready.
Okay, go ahead. Both the songs.
Okay, yeah, both the songs.
Go ahead, yeah.
जादू है नशा है मदहोशियां, that and नजर के सामने जिगर के पास. नजर के सामने जिगर के पास.
Full marks. Yes, you got both the songs correct. Those were the two songs.
Which this is the medium or hard?
This was medium.
So 400, right?
Yeah, Hindi medium.
Hello, did you say something? We are not able to hear you.
No, we just said 400 points, right? You doubled and you got it right. You lose audio, Sadhaka Paravegal.
Are you able to hear me, Sadhaka Paravegal? I think Sadhaka Paravegal is not able to hear anybody.
They're having an audio issue. They got 400 points.
You are on mute, Sadhaka Paravegal, by the way.
Yeah, but they can you
Also,
hear?
Yeah, but you are not able. Yeah.
Okay, please come back in. We'll give you a couple of minutes and then we'll continue. Please come back in, Sadhaka Paravegal.
So we wait, Soumya, because this is the next turn, right?
No, the next is Ragam.
Maybe some audience questions while you're waiting.
Yeah, that's not a bad idea.
Yes,
Setu, can we temporarily move to some audience questions if you have them ready?
No, the board will get.
Oh, okay, yeah.
The board is set up. So maybe after this board, we would be able to do that, but not in between. We'll just give them a minute. You have your hands up, Silvan Urkachu. Is it deliberate or is it?
Okay, Ananta wants to ask a question, I think, from the audience. Yeah, please go ahead, Ananta. Unmute yourself and ask your question.
Oh, thank you. Thank you very much. Before Amitabh Bachchan was roped into the lead role in Bombay to Goa, which completely different personality, a Bharat Ratna, was offered the role of a hero before Amitabh Bachchan took it?
Can the quizmasters also guess?
Yeah, definitely.
We'll make it to the audience. We'll make it to the audience.
Yeah, okay. First audience, then the quizmaster. Okay,
Yeah, let the audience answer. Yeah. Anyone from the audience? Yeah, please go ahead. If you have the answer to Ananta's question.
Sorry, we just joined now. What is the question?
Oh, sorry, this was a time pass question.
We're waiting for you, so we gave the audience a question.
Were you able to get the answers that we gave for that question that we answered?
Yes, you got 400 points. You got 400.
Oh, okay. Okay, thank you so much.
Let me complete the audience question for the benefit of the people
Let's
joined.
No, we'll finish it and then we'll
Okay,
go.
fine. Okay.
Okay.
You can repeat it for Sadhaka Paravegal if you want.
No issue.
Yeah, just repeat the question, Ananta. You are on mute.
Okay, the question is basically that in the blockbuster film Bombay to Goa, before Amitabh Bachchan was offered the role of a hero, which Bharat Ratna was offered the role of a hero?
We know.
Rajiv Gandhi.
Yes, Rajiv Gandhi is correct. Yes, Rajiv Gandhi is correct. Yeah.
Wow.
Well done.
It's an interesting bit of trivia. Okay, shall we go back to the regular round? Sadhaka Paravegal, you are back, right?
Yeah, we'll go to the next. Ragam team, are you ready with the category?
Yeah, we are going for medley.
Medley?
You can't hear you, Ragam team.
We didn't hear you. You muted yourself too quick.
Okay, medley, Hindi medley, hard, no doubling.
No doubling. There's only one question left. Last in the medleys.
So plus 300. Yeah. Chudi Gadi Se Kankegi, Savere Vindhya Wali chamkegi. Identify both the songs.
I will answer.
Yeah, please go ahead.
बिंदिया चमकेगी चूड़ी खनकेगी सवेरे वाली गाड़ी से चले आएंगे.
Perfect. Both the answers correct. Probably in hindsight, you must be wishing that you had doubled it.
Yeah, of course. Hindsight, we think a lot of things.
Congratulations. So that actually brings us to the end of that category as well.
Madli is finished. Ilayyanila, next question for you.
Okay. And do a Tamil hada.
Whatever you want, let us know. We can't hear half your voice went. Please unmute and then just say what you want, yeah?
Ilayyanila, do you have your choice?
Yeah, 1 second, we are telling.
Quickly.
Okay. Okay. Chitrahar, Hindi medium, double.
Hindi medium, Chitrahar double. So you will get 400 if you get it right, 200 negative if you get it wrong. The question starts now.
Yeah, here's the question. Yeah. Shah Rukh Khan, dressed as a clown, sings his song to an irritated Juhi Chawla. In fact, the tune is roughly based on the Azhagiye Laila Tamil song. What is the song? And the last line is a clue.
So the boss is always right. Okay, look, what is you need to send the song?
Song, yes, you need a song. That was just a clue.
Just say it, not send. Yeah, just say it.
Yeah, you don't have to sing it. Yeah, we need a song for the situation. Time is up.
Time up. So minus 200.
Moves to blockbusters.
Blockbusters. Quickly.
Yeah.
सुनिए
तो
कहिए तो ऐसी क्या जल्दी है हाँ.
Okay, that's right. Yeah, you just managed to get it in the nick of time. That's correct. So you get
just a question. They doubled it. Do we get the double? No, right?
No, you don't get the double. You don't get the double. You get 200 points.
Okay.
And the next question goes to
Silan or
Carter. Yeah.
In sync Tamil. Easy.
That's only one.
You want a double?
Double. Yeah.
Okay.
इतना दूर मुझको तू याद भी तुझको आना पाऊं माँ क्या इतना बुरा हूँ मैं इतना बुरा मेरी माँ
Okay.
Yeah. It is Amma and Rarika, and another one is Meri Ma.
Okay.
Tare Zameen Par.
You get 200 points. Next question goes to Chennai Cheetahs.
Chennai Cheetahs. So we have completed 2 categories already.
Two categories are finished.
Tamil Chitrahar hard double.
Tamil Chitrahar?
Hard double.
Hard and double. So you get it right, 600 points. If you get it wrong, minus 300. Yeah?
Yeah.
Ready.
Okay. Yeah, this is a long situation description. Please go through it carefully. There are 2 college girls, Jyotika and Sharbani. They want to play a prank on Jyotika's boyfriend. They invite him to a college dance program where this song that we're talking about is performed on stage. You also see Tabu as a police inspector in the audience. However, the prank goes awry and someone shoots the boyfriend dead. All this is happening during the song. Jyotika tries to hide the body and clean up the mess. And this song about Radha and Krishna is going on the stage. And at the end of the song, the dead body falls onto the stage. That's the situation. Rather elaborate. What is the song? Perfect. That is correct.
600 points. Wow.
600 points.
They mean lucky all three doubles got us.
Sadhaka Parvegal, you ready? Audio is back on track, right?
Yes, we are.
Choose from the board. What do you want?
We are choosing Hindi hard Chitrahar and we are going to double it.
Oh, 600 if you get it right, 300 negative if you get it wrong. All the best.
Yeah, that's the idea.
Here you go. This is a simple-hearted hero's adventures in uniting a lost Pakistani girl with her parents. He manages to cross the border and reaches Pakistan. There he is helped by a friendly reporter. This song shows the three of them traveling across the country searching for the girl's parents.
Keep an eye on the time.
It's the song from Bajrangi Bhaijaan.
Know the song.
What's the song?
Sung by Adnan Sami. It's a Qawwali.
Time is up.
Sorry, we don't know the song.
Ragam, can we answer?
Yeah,
wait.
passes to Ragam.
So passes to Ragam.
Yeah, Bardo Joli Meri Ya Muhammad Lord Kena Aunga Khali. Is that it? I don't know.
No, that's not the right answer.
Ileyanila.
Blockbusters. Sillanuru Katru. Chennai Cheetahs.
Sorry, my Hindi team is coming, so I pass it.
Tujo Mila.
No, it is not Tujo Mila.
Chennai Cheetahs pass it.
So it goes to the audience. It goes to
All finished now, audience.
Number one.
All the teams are up. Anyone in the audience?
Hey, while we were answering, Blockbusters tried to answer. Of course, I don't know whether this is the correct answer. Sillanuru Katru, can we try it or no?
Ramki?
Sorry, what was the question?
They said while they were answering, another team answered after them.
Sorry, I can't give it to you at this stage. Anybody from the audience?
You can try as an audience now. It's open to everybody. You won't get points.
Zindagi that is the right answer. Zindagi Kuch To Bata was the right answer.
Points to Mona.
Mona, no, Ashwina.
Ashwina. Cool. Okay.
Okay, that's to Ragam again.
So, what was the last team where we stopped? We have the last wrong answer.
We started with Sadhaka Paravegal. So this one goes to Ragam.
Ghosh.
Oh,
medium.
Ragam tried. No, you guys.
No,
tried,
everybody tried. Came back all the way back. So next is to Ragam. So Ragam, choose your category.
Ghosh, medium, double.
Gosh, medium, double in gosh, yeah. So 400 or minus 200. Okay. Yeah. Double jump. Time up. Ilanila. Blockbusters. You have to answer immediately, huh? Because we're not going to give time in the passes. Blockbusters.
सामने मगर we no clue. Pass.
No clue is the correct answer, but no points for that. No clue. Who's next? Silin or Katri? No idea.
No idea.
Chennai Cheetahs.
Pass. My Hindi team is down, so pass.
Okay, she's back here, I think. But yeah, Sadhaka Parvegal.
मेरे जहां
Pass, no idea.
எங்க பாயில இதுலயே வர மாட்டேங்க.
So okay, nobody got it.
We got it now, Soumya.
Now you got it, huh, Raghav?
I'll try.
Okay. No points, but go ahead. Unless somebody else from the audience. Let's
Yeah, me.
Yes, Mona, Mo, go for it.
मैं शायर तो नहीं मगर
That is Theresa May. That is Shah's ear.
Theresa May, yeah.
In that leg, and that's Magar. So
British Prime Minister.
Yeah.
Actually, Magar ye hasi. The crocodile is laughing.
मैं
Theresa May na? Oh, मैं शायर.
मैं शायर. But neither Merkel.
Theresa May.
अदा तप्पु.
Shah ear. तो नहीं, there is no toe.
Theresa May.
Magar ye hasi.
இல்ல.
Okay, next. After Ragam is Ilanila, ready? Choose quick.
We'll go for Chitrahar Tamil medium.
Chitrahar Tamil medium. Are you doubling?
No, we are not.
Okay, so plus 200.
நம்ம சித்ரஹார் டபுள் பண்ணிடலாமா?
Mute yourself. Silin or Katri, we can hear your chat.
Okay, so no doubling. Yeah.
Sports day.
It is your question. An ex-player takes up the challenge of coaching a women's sports team. This is not Chak De, by the way. The story deals with how he builds and motivates them, which includes an acid victim who is shaken out of depression by the coach. This background song extols the power of women. In fact, A.R. Rahman also comes in a cameo at the end of the song. I can see Sadhaka Parvegal laughing.
பெண்ணே
சிங்க பெண்ணே
Sorry, don't know the word.
200 points. Well done. Good job.
Okay, well done. You just managed it. Yeah, it is Singapore song from Bigil.
Yeah.
So plus 200 for you since you did not double it. Next question to
Blockbusters. Ready for your category?
So we are taking Hindi medium co-stars and double.
Medium, co-star, double. So 400 if you get it right, or 200 if you get it wrong. Yeah. Okay, Blockbusters.
Hey, this is
Imran Khan and Ranbir Kapoor.
Correct.
Very good. 400 points straight away. Take it. Yeah.
Brilliant.
Yeah. Perfect. 400 points for you. Brilliant. Well answered.
Sillanurukatru, are you ready? There are only 2 categories left now.
Chitrahar, easy, Tamil, double.
Okay.
Chitrahar, Tamil, EC double. Okay.
Yeah.
So 200 if you get it right, and 100 if you get it wrong, minus.
Okay. Yeah, can we have the question, please? Okay, very easy one. The hero is a country bumpkin in the first half of the movie. He gets transformed into a suave westerner after the interval. Such things happen only in the Tamil movies. And of course, all his old enemies are taken in and no one recognizes him when he sings this song, introducing himself as a master of arts. So many clues in this whole clue.
இல்லை வெள்ளக்காரனா வருவானா நீ சொல்லு சொல்லு
புதிய வானம் புதிய பூமி.
Sorry, that's the wrong answer.
அவ உள்ளது
Vote passes to Chennai.
Get minus 100, yeah?
You get minus 100. Passes to Chennai. Chennai Cheetahs.
New Year. இனிமை இதோ இதோ இளமை இதோ இதோ.
That's right.
College, teenage பெண்கள். Thanks.
Excellent. That's the right answer.
You get 100
Ilamai
points.
Ido. So plus 100 for Chennai Cheetahs.
Next question for Sadhaka Parvegal.
Please be ready with your category. Sakala Kalagalavan was a clue which was given in the which gave the name of the movie. There's only one category left, so Sadhaka Parvegal, please go ahead.
We'll go for oh my gosh, Tamil hard.
Tamil hard. You want to double?
No.
Lessons learned.
We've been burnt once.
300 or 0? Yeah.
மின்னல் ஒரு கோடி எந்த நோயில் தேடி வந்தது.
Good try, but wrong answer.
Thank you.
Ragam. Ragam.
மின்சார பூவே பெண் பூவே. Is that the song?
300 points for Ragam. Next is Ilayyanila. You can choose either the hard Hindi or the easy Tamil.
Tamil easy. Oh my gosh.
And are you double? Okay.
Yes.
So 200 if you get it right, and 100 negative if you get it wrong.
It's a no risk.
Telephone Manipur, Siripa Valivala, Melbourne, Melbourne, Mellia Manara.
Yeah.
Very good. 200 points for you. Take it.
Thank you.
Excellent. 200 points for Ilayyanila. Blockbusters. Are you ready? The last
Yes,
question on the
ready.
board.
Fight,
Do you want to
fight.
double it?
No, we don't want to double it.
No doubling. Okay, go for it now.
तेरा मस्ताना प्यार मेरा दीवाना.
Yes! Excellent. You get 300 points, and that brings us to the end of this round. Well done, well played, all of you. We'll be giving you the scores in a couple of minutes.
Soumya, this was easier than the medium gosh.
Happens. होता है. Soumya, we'll take a 2-minute break when I think the scores are being computed.
Soumya, you're muted.
Yeah, sorry. Yeah, I said if you want to unmute yourself and talk while the scores are being computed, feel free to do so.
Yeah, wonderful questions. Yeah, superb.
Very nice.
Very,
Thank you.
very nice, Ramki. Very nice.
I've been playing very well, so we really don't know who's leading and who's trailing.
Seriously, you guys have put in so much time and effort. Well done. Obviously, from your busy schedules,
இது நல்ல ரூம் போட்டு யோசிச்சிருக்கீங்கப்பா.
வீடு போட்டு
வீடு போட்டே யோசிச்சிருக்கீங்களா?
A lot of effort organizing it. Really nice job.
Great.
எல்லாமே Zoom போட்டு யோசிச்சிருக்காங்க.
For the scores, I'm sure you're all waiting to know where you stand now. So Ram is going to be giving you the scores.
Hi, after this round, Ragam, Tanam, Pallavi, the table seems to have changed. Team 1, Ilanila, has accumulated so far round 1 plus 2, put together 1,000. Team 2, Blockbusters, is in third place at 1,500. Cylinder Katra has accumulated 250 points. They got 2 negatives which brought them down. Team 4, Chennai Cheetahs, is on the lead with 2,400 points. The Sadaka Paravaigal is at slot 2 at 1,700 points. And Ragam is on 4th place at 1,300 points.